Hey, this is Will White with Alair Homes Clemson up here at Lake Kiowee at one of our houses. I wanted to show you the railing that we used in this house. This is a popular railing that we've been using quite often. The clients picked it out. It's a Fortress product, but it's a horizontal railing cable and it comes in panels. Sometimes you'll see horizontal cable railing. It runs in complete lengths. This is a little bit simpler system to use. As you can see, we have posts. They come in 8 and 6 foot sections. The client really liked this railing because it gave them a really great view of the lake, which was really important to them. It's one of the more expensive products, but it gives a really nice look. It's a more contemporary, modern look, but it's just a great looking railing. It really keeps the deck open, gives you a great view of the lake. So it's one of the standout features on this house. It looks really good with the Trex composite decking that we've installed.